Oh look, they have dog bags. That's kinda cool.
Hi Bob, keep your tail wowing throughout your escape with a treat just for you. Don't forget to stay on your leash during your time at Getaway. Hola.
Hola. About to fill up this tiny house.
Show us, Aidan. What did you open?
The grape jerky.
Oh my god. Is it good? Is it vegan? No.
No.
Sale.
No.
Dame. Hi friends, thank you for visiting again. Aidan and I came to stay to a getaway house, 2 hours away from New Orleans. This is one of their new locations around the southeast. Getaway offers simple escapes to tiny cabins nestled in nature, just a few hours outside of major cities, offering disconnection from daily routines, but reconnection with nature and yourself. That's exactly what we were needing. ¿Cuál era mía esta? ¿Era? After eating lunch and getting a little work done, we head out and walk to a nature path around the area. Geraldine, Billy Joe, ¿qué más? Vicente. Era para el bicho y la Connie que se quedan ahí. Ven. A ver si tenemos la banda. Papi. Papi chulo, pichos.
Dolly, just go on a nature trail.
We went for a hike. Now we took a nap. I woke up. He's still sleeping with Theo. But now I'm coming out, sitting outside, and I don't know. I love it. Oye, lo otro es que anda un cardinal, que es uno de estos pajaritos rojos. Bueno, no ahora, pero hoy día en la mañana andaba dándose vueltas y se ponía en el auto de Aidan, no sé por qué, a mirarse en el espejo o en la ventana. Le dejó el auto lleno de caca. Pero el pajarito iba a la ventana de la habitación por el otro lado y se tiraba contra la ventana. Así que estamos cachudos igual. Thank you, Jason.
Yes, thanks, electric family.
We spent a very slow morning before checking out. To get away is always the best thing we can do, but now it's time to go back home. We love this company and their vision. We are so lucky to have one of their locations only 2 hours away. We definitely recommend this place to everyone. See you soon, Felito. Once again, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.